I've only got eyes for you. I've only got eyes for you. I've only got eyes for you. Pretty baby, baby, I've only got eyes for you. You're my muse, and I stop and stare cause I like the view. Baby, I love the way you're smiling too. You light my fuse, an explosion of my love for you. I got a mindset of loving you right forever. I got my eyes set on you, and I look away never. All of the time spent on you and I coming together. Baby, there ain't nothing better. I've only got eyes for you. 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 Pretty baby.
Hey girl, what's happening? Hello, I've been knowing you since way back when. You know, cheerleading you were practicing in the maybe center or up in the gym. On my radar, I was tracking, but your walls were up like it was smacking. Then you weren't falling for the DJ thing back then. Now I'm rubber with me dating. I knew it was love at first sight. Symbiotic, not a pair, is sight. We could have 5 kids, we could teach about the wrong and the right. I knew it would work out good. You knew it like I knew you would. Got married as soon as we could. Like Roxette, you had that look.
All that I had to say was hello, and I said like that group call in September. A night I'll always remember, baby. Memories everywhere that we go. It's crazy, highs and lows we grow. We'll sing these songs back when we're 80, yeah. She's a model, but not just for the magazine. For our sons and daughters, teach them what God-fearing really means. Yeah, this world is hollow, but with you it feels we're in a dream. My queen, my refuge, Jesus, we can do anything now. I've only got eyes for you. I've only got eyes for you. I've only got eyes for you. Pretty baby, I've only got eyes for you. Baby, I do adore you. Wanna treat you the way Jesus treats his body, yeah. My bride, love you long time, lifetime. Love you daytime, nighttime. You in my arms is a sign. God, he has been listening to the prayers I've been whispering. Love you long time, lifetime.
Live your long time, live your lifetime.
Long time, lifetime. I've only got eyes for you.